It is now Sunday evening and I edited a video. I had some footage from December and January that I just didn't follow through on to complete one particular vlog. So I said I wasn't going to waste that time that I filmed that footage, and I just compiled it all in one video and I edited it, and it is now uploading. So now that I have that done, I am going to open up my dissertation proposal and work on my edits, because I want to email that to my the chairperson of my committee tonight, because I really do want to be considered for a proposal defense date. I'm going to do that, and I think I can maybe knock out what I have in about an hour and a half, and then I'm going to plan for the week. However, if I don't plan for the week tonight, I always have tomorrow, the Lord willing. All right, I will get going on this and talk to you later. Good morning. It is my off day, so my weekend just extended just a little bit. I figured this would be a good time for me to just bring you along with me. Usually on Mondays I get a lot of my errands run because of everybody's gone back to school, gone back to work, and I can just knock out some things that I need to do for the week. This is also my travel week to Jackson, so I need to get my mind together on making sure that my suitcase items, essentials, are packed or stocked, and getting ready to head to the doctor's office for a quick visit. Need to get my car washed, need to run by Walmart, just a few things. And then tonight we also have to travel to take my youngest to competitive volleyball. I'm just going to bring you along, and hopefully we can talk along the way. Something so humbling about as soon as the nurses call you to the back in the doctor's office. Hey, how you doing? Step on the scale. There's nothing that I can think of right now that is more humbling than starting your visit off on a scale. I am now back, finished with my doctor's appointment, and all roads typically lead me back to my office. I need to get something sent out today that I just don't want to wait until tomorrow. And after I leave here, let me pick you up. After I leave here, I really want to go ahead and get my paper submitted. I still need to go get my car washed. I need to go to Walmart. I have not eaten yet, and it is 1:43. Could I do these things tomorrow or the next day? It's easy for me to say that I can, but because I know once I'm at work and once the activities have already been set for the week, it's usually, I don't have a lot of flexible time. So I'm going to try to give myself no more than 30 minutes here in my office. And then after that, I'm going to go probably grab something to eat, then go to the car wash, eat while my car is being washed, and then top it off with a Walmart run. If I can't get my paper submitted before 5 p.m. my time, I know that I'll be able to get it submitted before the end of the night, and that is totally okay with me. Then I also have an assignment that I need to touch. and but I'm not going to stress about that right now. All right, I hope that you're having a good day so far, and I'll talk to you later. On TikTok, I've been seeing this credenza or bookshelf that's been going on sale for like $50, $75 in different places, and I keep watching ours. This is what it is, and is it on sale? Let's see. It's this beautiful fluted TV stand by Drew Barrymore. Look at the price. $198. I'm waiting for a better deal if I was to get in. Without fail, I always have to stop by the clothes. So that's where we're headed next before we leave. Vanderbilt. Okay. Let's see, the boot cut is coming back. Now y'all are too young to remember windsuits. Is that not a windsuit? If you are an 80s, 90s survivor, chime in. What are they calling it? A nylon pant. Y'all, these are windsuits. I don't care what you say. I ended up getting that picture for $9.50. I initially thought it was on clearance for $12.50. $9.50 is so much better. And I actually was eyeballing that particular flower art when I came with my daughter, but I just didn't feel like I wanted to pay. I think it was originally $19.95 or $29.95. Not, no shade to Walmart, but I don't want to pay that at Walmart. So to know that they can mark it down to $9.95 lets me further know that when I see paintings at Walmart in particular, just wait. So I'm getting ready to now head home. Hope that I remembered everything. I'm one that rarely brings a list with me to the store unless I'm shopping for groceries. Yeah, so I hope I got everything. All right, let me go and get this paper touched on. All right, I am back at home and I have 1 hour. I'm gonna say 1 hour and 15 minutes to work on my proposal before getting ready to head to Little Rock. And looking at my battery, it is getting ready to go dead. So don't know if I'm going to end the vlog here. I don't know. But I am going to charge you up just in case I want to bring you along with me a little later. So while the battery is charging, I'm going to be working on this paper. All right. Talk to you in a little bit.